So my students, when it's an online environment, it's very difficult to be able to run an online class and be able to give them the labs, exams, and be able to grade it, because you can set it all up and have a step-by-step process, and you hope they're going to get it and you hope they have the environment. But if you don't have the environment to give them, what are they going to get? You can say, well, why don't you go and download a virtualized environment, and why don't you install this virtualized operating system that we're going to give you, and then at the end of the day, we're going to hope it works. But with TestOut, it's all there, right there for you. And not only is it there for you, it grades it for you. And so you know exactly what they did, exactly what they had, and when they're done, you have exactly what you wanted. Yes, Linux and Security Plus. So I teach 2 different classes. And so that's the goal, is for them to get Linux certification and Security Plus certification. It's not my goal. My goal is to help them pass the class. But if they do the class, they will be ready to take the certification test. And I tell them, if you do this class and you do all of the work in it, you will be ready to take the test. Well, you do have a new tool that has made my life wonderfully easy now, because our college uses Canvas to do all our grades. And now you have the ability to import from TestOut into Canvas with the click of a button, which you didn't before. So I had to actually download my grade, export my grades from Canvas and export from TestOut, and then copy the right lab grades and then paste them into the so it's Excel spreadsheet to copy paste, make sure everything lined up correctly, and then import them back into Canvas before I got my grades. But now that little button is really awesome.